Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TLV Academy. So let's start with today's session on the Sustainable Development Goal that transforms everything. Education is not just a system, it is the foundation of every human possibility. SDG Goal 4, which focuses on quality education, represents the dream of a world where every child wakes up knowing that they belong to a classroom, that a teacher is waiting for them, and that their future is not restricted by poverty, geography, religion, gender, disability, or conflict. This script takes you on a journey to understand how education shapes all development, how it influences every sustainable development goal, and why it remains the single most transformative power humanity has. If there is one goal that ignites all other goals, whether poverty reduction, gender equality, health, innovation, or peace, it is the goal of universal education. The word SDG Goal 4 really means. SDG 4 is often mistakenly reduced to the idea of going to school, but the truth is far deeper. SDG 4 aims to ensure inclusive, equitable, quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. This means not just putting children in classrooms, but ensuring that the learning is meaningful, measurable, engaging, and empowering. This focuses on strong foundational literacy, skilled teachers, modern curricula, and digital resources. It includes early childhood learning, higher education access, vocational skills, and adult training. SDG 4 is not simply about education. It is about creating complete, capable, confident human beings. Now, why quality education is the pillar of human progress? Education matters because it transforms everything it touches. It reduces poverty by enabling people to access better jobs and higher incomes. It improves health by helping communities understand nutrition, hygiene, and medical knowledge. It reduces child marriage and early pregnancies by empowering young girls to stay in school longer. It strengthens democracy by enabling citizens to think critically and participate meaningfully. It boosts economic growth, fuels innovation, supports sustainability, reduces crime, and elevates societies out of cycles of deprivation. The return on education is not just economic, it is cultural, social, emotional, and even moral. Now, the global education crisis we face today. Despite technological growth and widespread awareness, the world is facing an alarming education crisis. Millions of children remain out of school, and among those who attend, a shocking number cannot read a simple sentence or perform basic math even after years of schooling. This global learning crisis is fueled by teacher shortages, outdated curricula, fragile infrastructure, digital divides, poverty, conflicts, climate disasters, and systemic inequality. COVID-19 worsened this situation dramatically by forcing schools to close for prolonged periods, reversing years of progress. The world now needs urgent measures to bring education back on track. Now, understanding the SDG 4 targets as a story. The ambition of SDG 4 unfolds like a story of human development. It begins with ensuring that every child receives free, quality primary and secondary education. It highlights the importance of early childhood development because the first 5 years determine a child's brain growth and future possibilities. It expands into the dream of making vocational training, technical education, and university education accessible to all, regardless of income. It emphasizes the creation of skills that match a modern workforce, digital literacy, communication, problem solving, and innovation. It insists on eliminating discrimination and ensuring that every child, including girls, children with disabilities, and marginalized groups, receive equal opportunities. It speaks of universal literacy, numeracy, global citizenship, sustainability education, safe schools, scholarships, and the strengthening of teaching professionals. Together, these targets form a powerful, interconnected learning ecosystem. Now, a day in the life of a child without education. To truly understand SDG 4, imagine the day of a child without access to education. She wakes up in a conflict zone where the sound of gunfire is more common than the sound of a school bell. Her future is overshadowed by fear, displacement, and uncertainty. Or imagine a boy in a remote rural area walking 5 or 6 kilometers each day because he desperately wants to learn, but his school is poorly equipped, understaffed, and underfunded. Without education, a child's dreams shrink, confidence fades, and opportunities disappear long before adulthood even begins. SDG 4 aims to rewrite these stories into ones of empowerment and hope. Now, education during COVID-19, the largest learning disruption in history. The pandemic exposed the fragility of global education systems. Schools closed in almost every country, affecting over 1.6 billion learners. Many children, especially from low-income families, lacked access to devices or internet, making online learning impossible. Learning setbacks in reading and numeracy occurred worldwide, and dropout rates increased among vulnerable communities. Yet the pandemic also accelerated digital transformation, proving that hybrid and remote learning must become permanent options. COVID-19 taught us that education must be resilient, adaptable, and technologically integrated. Now, the digital revolution in education. Digital learning has become the new literacy of the 21st century. Children today need to understand how to use technology effectively, communicate online responsibly, and develop digital, analytical, and coding skills. But for this digital revolution to be inclusive, access to internet connectivity, affordable devices, and trained teachers is essential. Digital education breaks barriers of geography, time, and financial limitations, enabling every learner to explore global knowledge. In the future, connectivity will be the new classroom, and closing the digital divide will be the first step toward achieving SDG 4. Now, gender equality and the girl-child education revolution. Education is the most powerful tool for achieving gender equality. When girls receive quality education, early marriages decrease, maternal health improves, economic opportunities rise, and entire communities progress. Yet millions of girls still struggle to access education due to cultural restrictions, unsafe environments, inadequate sanitation facilities, and household responsibilities. SDG 4 and SDG 5 work hand in hand to ensure that every girl has the right to learn, grow, and lead. Educating a girl means educating a family, a village, and a nation. Inclusive education and the rights of children with special needs. Inclusive education is not a luxury but a necessity. Children with disabilities, whether physical, intellectual, sensory, or developmental, deserve equal opportunities to learn. This requires accessible classrooms, trained special educators, tailored learning materials, assistive technologies, and most importantly, a welcoming environment. A school that excludes children based on ability is not fulfilling its purpose. True quality education is inclusive, respectful, and adaptable. Teachers, the heart of SDG 4. No education system can outperform the quality of its teachers. Teachers shape the minds of the future, inspire curiosity, and ignite imagination. Yet in many countries, teachers are underpaid, overburdened, and undervalued. To achieve SDG 4, teachers must receive strong pre-service and in-service training, competitive salaries, manageable class sizes, mental well-being support, and continuous professional development. Recognizing teachers as nation builders is essential for global progress. The economic power of education. Investing in education is the smartest economic decision a country can make. Research shows that every additional year of schooling increases a person's earnings significantly and contributes to national GDP growth. Educated populations enjoy lower crime rates, better health outcomes, higher productivity, and stronger civic engagement. Education generates a positive ripple effect across the entire economy, providing that funding education is not a financial burden but an investment with extraordinary returns. Now, the future of learning, AI, VR, and next generation classrooms. Technology is transforming learning environments. In the coming decade, artificial intelligence will personalize lessons based on individual learning patterns. Virtual reality will bring historical events and scientific concepts to life. Augmented reality will enhance hands-on learning, and blockchain will secure academic credentials. These tools will help create global classrooms where students from different countries can learn together, breaking down geographical barriers. Future learning will be interactive, borderless, personalized, and skill-driven. Now, how the world can achieve SDG Goal 4. To achieve SDG 4, the global community must strengthen investment in education, ensure foundational literacy for all children, empower teachers, expand digital learning platforms, upgrade school infrastructure, promote early childhood education, eliminate gender barriers, and offer lifelong learning opportunities. Scholarships, community engagement, public-private partnerships, and government commitment are essential. Achieving SDG 4 requires a mindset shift from seeing education as a service to seeing it as a human right and societal foundation. How you can support SDG Goal 4. Every individual has the power to make a difference. You can volunteer time to tutor underprivileged children, donate books or digital devices, fund a student's education, support NGOs, create digital awareness, mentor young learners, or contribute to teacher training initiatives. Change does not always require large resources. Even helping one child learn to read can transform a life. Education grows when people care. The future of SDG 4 at the path to 2030. As we approach 2030, the world faces challenges in meeting SDG 4 targets. But progress is still possible with strong political will and global cooperation. The future of education will be shaped by technology, inclusivity, sustainability, and lifelong learning. Even if some targets extend beyond 2030, the direction is clear. Education must continue to evolve, adapt, and expand to meet the changing needs of humanity. Quality education is the seed from which progress grows. If we want to change our community, we build a school. If we want to change our country, we empower teachers. And if we want to change the world, we educate children. SDG Goal 4 is not just a target, it is a promise that no child will be left behind, no dream will remain unfulfilled, and no community will stay in darkness. Every textbook opened, every teacher supported, and every classroom built becomes a step toward a brighter, fairer, more peaceful world. The future we desire stands in the doorway of every school, and it waits for us to open it. That is all about today's session on Sustainable Development Goal 4. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative videos.